Every drone shoot starts with understanding the project, the location, the subject, and the style you're going for. Once we know that, we choose the right tool for the job. Whether it's a high-end system for cinematic 4K footage or a lightweight drone for quick maneuvering, we match the gear to the goal. On site, we take care of the setup, checking propellers, prepping the controller, batteries, filters, and the backup storage. Everything is double-checked before we're ready to take off. And before flight, we review airspace restrictions, flying zones, and local regulations. As certified Part 107 pilots, we fly safely and within FAA guidelines, whether that means altitude limits, controlled airspace, or steering clear of nearby structures and people once in the air. We plan our flight paths, adjust on the fly, and frame the subject with smooth, cinematic motion. From sweeping reveals to tight tracking shots, we capture dynamic footage that elevates the entire production. After landing, everything is backed up, reviewed, and brought into post. We color grade the footage for consistency and deliver clean, high-quality files ready to drop into your project. Whether it's a standalone drone shoot or part of a larger production, this is drone work done right and designed to make your video stand out.